Hello, everyone. How are you? Fine, thank you.
Hello guys, today in this video, I am going to teach you how to host an API for free. I made this simple hard-coded API of a random user. Now let's host it. First of all, let's upload them on GitHub. Type github.new on the search bar and press enter. Type your repository name and create a repository. Copy the command line code and paste it on the command line. Don't forget to cd to your code. That command line code only pushes the README file. Now let's add all the files and commit them. Don't forget to create a .gitignore file and add Node modules there. Now let's add and push them. Now the code is pushed to GitHub. Now the code is on GitHub. Search render on search bar and press enter. Go to render.com. I am already logged into Render, that's why I am seeing dashboard button, but if you are not, you will see sign up button. Just click on it, you will get your sign up with GitHub, Google, and many. Click on new and choose web service. You can host many other things too, like static sites, cron jobs. After choosing web service, choose the Git repository you just pushed through command line. After choosing it, give it a proper name. Choose the reason you like. Leave others default, but to build command type npm install. And, to start command, type what you do to start your server, like npm start, but in my case, I just do Node.index.js. Select the free tier, and if you have environment variables, then you can add them in advanced settings. And since I don't have any environment variables, I will just ignore it and click Create Web Service. Now, give it some time, like 2 minutes, and after it finishes, you will have your API hosted, or if not API, a Node.js and Express app hosted. Done, voila! Your Node.js app is hosted now on Render. Click on the link to see it. Like this, you can host many other languages code on Render. Friends, thank you for watching this video. And good luck to whatever journey is ahead of you. Thank you again, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.